Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are having trouble uploading media from your camera roll to Snapchat, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you the most effective method to fix the Snapchat media upload problem quickly and easily. Let us get right into it. The first step is to clear your app cache. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the clear cache option. Tap it and then confirm your choice. Once that is done, completely close the Snapchat app and open it again. Now we will use a built-in feature to bypass the upload glitch. On the main camera screen, tap the downward arrow on the right side menu to reveal more options. Select Director Mode and then tap on the Gallery Plus icon. You should now be able to access your media and upload it to your snaps or stories without any issues. As an alternative, if this method does not immediately fix the problem, the issue might be an outdated app version. Simply head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and install any available updates to ensure your app is running smoothly. That is all it takes to fix the issue. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward and professional guides. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.